Let's put that question to our panel of guests this evening. Populism versus merit. Influence, rules being bent for some, being inflexible for the others. Why do sportspersons have to fight for the honour they so rightfully deserve? A case of Major Dhyan Chand. We say good evening to Murad Ali Khan, joining us this evening from Delhi, Commonwealth Games medalist, and of course Dr. Bimal Soni, Deputy President of the Rajasthan Cricket Association, joining us from Jaipur. Ashish Balal, former India hockey player. We are waiting for Atul Wasan to join us in just a bit. But first, we'll go across to Ashok Kumar Dhyan Chand, son of Major Dhyan Chand, joining us from Bhopal this evening. Ashok जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, आपको कैसा लगता है जब आपको दिखता है कि जिस व्यक्ति ने हॉकी को इतनी ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाया, जिनकी वजह से उनकी वजह से बलबीर सिंह सीनियर जैसे खिलाड़ियों की वजह से हॉकी आज भी हमारा नेशनल गेम है, और इनको इग्नोर किया जाता है?
जी, आपका सवाल ही एक जवाब है इस डिबेट का। और मैं ये मान के चलता हूँ कि हॉकी जैसे खेल को, जिसको कि पहले ओलंपिक से ध्यानचंद और उनकी टीम ने 1928, 1932, 1936 में इतनी ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचा दिया था, जो आज भी एक पैमाना बना है हमारे देश की हॉकी के लिए। और ये बात तय है कि अगर वो धारा, वो हॉकी की उन जादूगरी के द्वारा जो उन्होंने करा है, अगर वो हॉकी नहीं निकलती तो आज हॉकी की रूपरेखा जो हम देख रहे हैं इस दुनिया में, ये ना होती। वो इजाद करने वाले लोग थे। और हम कैसे भूल सकते हैं 1936 का ओलंपिक गेम? हम कैसे भूल सकते हैं कि ध्यानचंद के उन गुर्बतों के दिन में, जब कुछ भी नहीं था देश के अंदर, हमारा सिर्फ एक सम्मान बढ़ाने के लिए ओलंपिक्स के अंदर हमारी टीम जो चंदा करके जाती थी, 50 रुपए, 100 रुपए, 150 रुपए, उस टीम ने तहलका मचाया, एक सम्मान दिलाया देश को। और उसमें सबसे अग्रणी हुए ध्यानचंद, जिन्होंने अपने को कभी नहीं कहा कि मैं बड़ा हूं, लेकिन उनके साथ वाले, उनके पेपर लिखने वाले न्यूज़पेपर्स और लोगों ने ध्यानचंद को ध्यानचंद बनाया। एक सैनिक के रूप में रहे, जिन्होंने अपना जीवन पूरा उसी तरह निकाला। हॉकी को एक नई दिशा देने के लिए रिटायरमेंट के बाद तक सर्विस करते रहे, परिवार को पालने के लिए सर्विस करते रहे। और हॉकी को जो आज मुकाम मिला है, वो ध्यानचंद की बदौलत मिला है, उनकी हॉकी की बदौलत मिला है, जिसने बलबीर सिंह, 3 गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, सरदार उधम सिंह, लेस्ली क्लाउडियस, इस तरह के नामी गिरामी ओलंपियन दिए, जिन्होंने देश का नाम ऊपर किया और मेडल्स लाए।
अशोक कुमार जी, मैं हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताना चाहूंगा कि 29 अगस्त इज द डेट ऑफ बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ मेजर ध्यानचंद. It is also India's National Sports Day. The highest award for lifetime achievement for a sports person is the Major Dhyan Chand Award. In 2012, the government of India, Ashok Kumar ji, please correct me if I'm wrong, they gave posthumously Major Dhyan Chand the Gem of India Award. पर भारत रत्न नहीं दिया। 2014 में स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री ने नॉमिनेट किया था मेजर ध्यानचंद को, उस नॉमिनेशन को इग्नोर किया गया।
वही मैं बात सर वही कहने जा रहा हूं कि 2011 में तत्कालीन जो उस वक्त के हमारे स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर अजय माकन जी, जिन्होंने ध्यानचंद जी का नाम ऊपर लेकर आए, जब ये अवार्ड का नॉमिनेशन हुआ कि यार भारत रत्न मिलेगा, और उस अवार्ड को लाने के बाद 2 नाम तय किए गए स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री से, एक ध्यानचंद, एक तेनजिंग नोरगे, कि इनको अवार्ड दिया जाएगा। लेकिन वो जिसको हम पॉलिटिक्स कहते हैं, वो समझ में मेरे तो अब आता है ये सब बातें जो हम एक आम नागरिक के लिए जब लागू की जाती हैं, तो उसके लिए सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस होते हैं, और जब हमारे पॉलिटिशियंस के लिए होता है या बड़े रसूख वालों के लिए होता है, तो उसके लिए सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशन अलग हो जाते हैं। और ध्यानचंद के मामले में भी ऐसे ही हुआ, क्योंकि ध्यानचंद एक अदना से खिलाड़ी रहे, शायद उन्होंने कुछ हिंदुस्तान के लिए नहीं किया। और मुझे बड़े दुख के साथ ये बातें कहनी पड़ती हैं कि उन जैसी शख्सियत जो बिरले ऐसे पैदा होते हैं हिंदुस्तान में, नहीं पूरी दुनिया में। और 1936 का ओलंपिक की बात मैं करूं, तो ये सब बातें कुल मिला के ऐसा लगा कि ध्यानचंद को इग्नोर किया जा रहा है, या ध्यानचंद इस अवार्ड के काबिल नहीं है। तो अगर काबिल नहीं है, तो एक सीधा सा जवाब दे दिया जाए सरकार द्वारा कि ध्यानचंद इस अवार्ड काबिल नहीं है। कोई बात नहीं, हम मान लेते हैं कि ध्यानचंद नहीं है, लेकिन ये असेसमेंट करेगा कौन? ये
True. Ashok Kumar ji, I agree with the points that you're raising, and we'll go across to our other panelists. Murad Ali Khan, how much more do achievers have to now put their hands up and say, if a Saina Nehwal, after an Olympic medal, says she deserves the Padma Bhushan, How long will Major Dhyan Chand's family, his supporters, will have to try and call out and say, look at this man. You honor this man everywhere, but you still don't think he's a Bharat Ratna.
See, the achievement in terms of the contributions which has been done by Major Dhyan Chand cannot be ignored. He has been one of the finest players of hockey and responsible for bringing Indian hockey to the world map back in the earlier Olympic days. When India was not known as a sports power, that is the time when he contributed in making India into a superpower as far as hockey goes. But coming back to the awards, I think there is a particular way of formulation of the award, of the way the awards are decided. There is a panel which deliberates.
What way was the award decided in 2014, Murad Ali Khan? What way was the award decided in 2014?
Sorry?
How was it decided in 24 hours that Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar should be given the Bharat Ratna back in 2014? Where did the panel go then?
Yeah, it was not, that time also it was by a panel. It was not done by an individual. It was not done by me or you. It was a panel which decided.
Was it a panel that ratified it?
That award is always decided by a panel.
Atul Vasan, was it a panel that ratified it? Or was a reserve medallion brought forth so that it could coincide by the time Sachin plays his final test at the Wankhede?
That possibility is there that it was brought forward, but the procedure for having the award or
Murad, going to Atul
is to be done.
Interrupted. Can I
yes,
just,
Atul.
Can I just say something without getting interrupted? You know, the whole premise about it. I'm in agreement with you that there is no set template or a rule book which has to be followed to get a particular award. But this whole thing about controversy about who should get what is very abstract. You know, there is no end to discussion. We can sit here and discuss it till the cows come home. But one thing is sure, that, you know, Bharat Ratna is being deserved by these people you are taking names of. Them Singh Norway, Vishwanathan Anand, Dhyan Chand and Tendulkar also. Now, why he came first is another matter. It could be, relevance of the whole occasion. It could be anything, public sentiment and all that. Let's not even go there. But my point is, it's
when you want to correct wrongs in other places.
Listen to me.
No, are you trying to say there was no politics that was played?
No,
there was no populism in play? And it was purely on merit that it was decided?
Yeah, let's not kid ourselves. As I said earlier, can I finish without getting interrupted, Anand? I'm saying, we agree that there must be some kind of thought process and politics was involved there. But my point is, when players or there's a lobby for any awards, you know, it looks very crass and in bad taste. It's a wrong precedent which has been set recently, you know, because all the players, they just throw what they have done and where they have won medals to get these awards because of the fringe benefits of the awards. And it looks in very bad taste. And I think we should be actually curbing this in our...
there should be people who should turn around and say, Atul Vasan, that this should not be allowed. This should not be allowed, that certain people can tweak and bend the rules to their convenience to achieve their populist goals and ignore legends. No, 3 Olympic golds have to count somewhere, Ashish Ballal. No, 3 Olympic golds have to count somewhere. 1928, 1932, 1936, Ashish Ballal for Major Dhyan Chand. Also for Balbir Singh Senior, and I'm going to pitch for him also. Because 1948, 1952, 1956, post-independence, the people who set India to hockey as India's national sport, who put India on the global map pre and post-independence. Because people sat up and took notice of our country because of the golds we won at the Olympics. Nobody expected us to win, Ashish Ballal, and they did it. And how can people till 2015 not remember that they owe it to them? My question is there, sir. When in 2014, Ashish Ballal, it was decided that a sports person should be conferred with the Bharat Ratna and the rules should be changed and finally sports people should be recognized, shouldn't they have also corrected the errors of the past? Why couldn't they name 2 people or 3 people together?
Very right.
Absolutely, because the rounds of Dhyan Chand was doing from 2011, right? From 2011 to 2014, Dhyan Chand's name was doing the rounds for the Bharat Ratna. It was a pride for the whole country that a hockey player is going to get an award, and out of the blue in 24 hours, like you said, populism and the last match that Sachin played. Sachin is a great player. We're not taking anything away from him, but the timing and the quickness that the award that was doled out was sheer populism. The merit of the case is like everybody is saying, Dhyan Chand should have got it first, but taking nothing away from Tendulkar. But at the same time, mistakes do happen, but I think correction is required. At least now, can the government give the Bharat Ratna to Dhyan Chand? We are only talking about it, but nothing is announced yet.
True. And I asked this Bimal Soni. Please join in the debate. Yes, Bimal Soni.
Can I put the right perspective, Anand?
Yes.
The issue is, there's no doubt about the capability and the sportsmanship which we have seen in Tendulkar and Dhyan Chand ji. But what I want to say is that 2014 it was decided that sportsmen would get this award. Obviously, there was a legend which happens once in a lifetime who was retiring. Sachin Tendulkar. Game of cricket is religion.
True, but Sachin
in India
Tendulkar,
today.
Sachin
And if he has
Tendulkar
been
was
given,
not going anywhere,
that does
sir.
not mean
Bimal
given
Soni,
that
Sachin
out of
Tendulkar
mind,
was not
out of
going
mind.
anywhere. There was no rush to confer him the Bharat Ratna just because he was retiring from cricket.
But so
No,
is,
sir. No, the point
so
is,
is late
point
Dhyan
I
is,
Chand
have
going
another
anywhere.
thing
so
to say.
you ignore all those who actually
Madan
put
Mohan
India on the
Malviya.
sporting map in the
Yes,
first
sir.
place.
Madan
Cricket
Mohan
is played by
Malviya.
nine
I'll answer the
countries
question.
even today, sir. Hockey is
Anand,
played by
please.
71 countries.
Let me
It was being
complete.
played by
Let me
25
complete.
countries even in 1928.
I am not challenging Dhyan Chand ji, or I am not challenging
Yeah.
Balbir Singh. What I am trying
Out
to
of
say
sight is not out of
that
mind.
today Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee has been given Bharat Ratna, and Madan Mohan Malviya has also been given. But when you see the sentiment, the working, Atal ji today is of our generation. 25 years, cricket has been played by
No,
Sachin.
sir.
He is
Bimal
our
Soni, you
generation.
agree?
I am not saying.
You agree
Dhyan
there is
Chand wrong.
there is a huge
Dhyan
level
Chand
of
ke naam
politics
se.
and a huge level of populism that is involved. Do you agree? Because it is not purely
Are
on
you-
merit that
are
a
you-
panel decides
are you
who
the
should be
person
conferred
in
the Bharat
media?
Ratna.
No, I am sorry.
Do you agree?
You are not here
Do
to
you
decide.
agree that 2014
These
that
are two
move was
different
populist?
games.
Do you
I
agree
am
or
not
disagree, sir?
denying Dhyan Chand's
And do you agree
contribution
that if, when
to
Milkha
hockey.
Singh says we are happy that Sachin Tendulkar got the Bharat Ratna, but the person who deserved it first was Major Dhyan Chand? And why, sir? Why is it that it is so difficult to confer the Bharat Ratna on a person who deserves it? There is no question about it. None of our panelists disagree.
I agree with Milkha Singh.
So what do you mean?
I agree
Sachin
with
didn't
Milkha
deserve it?
Singh that Dhyan Chand should have been given. But it can be corrected now.
It is still
can
not
be
being
corrected
corrected.
now.
Corrected now, and the award should be given.
Is it
can
still- is it being
but
corrected
when they
now?
thought
Is
that
it being
is-
corrected now?
It can be
Is there an
corrected now,
effort?
but
Have
when
you
they
ever
thought
heard? Have you
that
ever heard?
Two people in 1 year they may not give. They'll give it in 2015.
Why not, sir? Why not, sir? Why not? Who are they? Who
Why
decides?
haven't they
Who
given it this
decides?
year?
Who decides Atul Vasan? Who decides Atul
Another
Vasan?
thing,
Who deserves a Bharat
I
Ratna
think-
and who doesn't? Who are these
I
people who
think we
sit and
don't-
decide?
One Bharat Ratan,
I would like to
a
speak only
man
if there is no
on
interjection or
whose
interruption.
name
You know.
we
So
are
once you give me a
nominating
clear run, then I can
the
speak.
Sportsman of the Year, the Dhyan Chand Award. We are giving to Sportsman
Right.
of the Year.
That's my
I
point,
think that
sir.
is a bigger
That's
honor.
my point, sir. That's my
It's a
point.
bigger honor.
The Journalist Association of
Getting
India in
off
2012
Bharat
calls him the gem of India. But the government of India till today has not called him a Bharat Ratna. 29th of August, National Sports Day, when the president confers the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award,
Absolutely.
the Dronacharya Award, the
So
Arjuna
I
Award,
think-
is the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand. That even then, the Lifetime Achievement Award, you
I
have
am
named
again
awards on him,
repeating.
but you still haven't called him the Bharat Ratna or Jewel of India. Atul Vasan.
It will
Wait,
take
wait,
place.
Bimal Soni coming
It
to
is
you.
wrong on
Bringing
part
in the
of
other
it.
panelists.
No,
Yes, Atul
I
Vasan.
am not against.
Bimal Soni coming
I
back to
would have
you.
been happy had they given it to Sachin.
I just-
Bimal
I
Soni,
want
just
to say-
wait on, please.
Anand,
Going across to
you have
Atul
rattled
Vasan. Yeah.
off- You have rattled off the records of late Dhyan Chand, and we all know what he has contributed, what he has achieved. We're not denying that. My question is that if it was given by a panel due to the relevance and the sentiments at that point, it's not end of the road. It might be there. There is another chance.
No,
that
but it is setting
neither
the wrong
award is
precedent,
going
Atul
anywhere,
Vasan.
Neither late.
It is setting the wrong precedent.
No, not only because that's why. No, then that's why I asked you a question. Then what you are demanding is that for each and every award which is under the sun, there should be a set rule where all the ticks have to be made before somebody is given.
Yes.
There is no
Yes.
abstract thing
Yes.
in giving awards.
Why?
ever.
If
Have you ever come
athletes,
across
if
anything
medalists
that?
like Sushil Kumar and Saina Nehwal can be turned back saying, listen, you got to wait for 5 years before you can be considered for a higher award, higher Padma award. Why can't there be certain ticks and checks and balances that have to be made for all those sports persons who have to be conferred the Bharat Ratna from 1947, sir, till 2014? There are sports persons who are waiting in the ranks. Why does Sachin Tendulkar have to be pushed right ahead of all of them?
Argument.
No. My question to you, is, Atul Vasan, why is it?
So Tendulkar deserves. I want to ask you, does Tendulkar deserve the award or not? First answer this.
Nobody is saying Tendulkar does not deserve the award. But he does not deserve it first. That is what the people are. That is what the opinion is, sir. The opinion is, yes, we are happy he got it, but he should not have been the person to get it first, because there are others who have achieved far more than Sachin Tendulkar has, and before Sachin Tendulkar did. Yes, Murad.
So I think what do you find it bigger achievement?
Who is saying that
by an Indian?
Atul, just wait on, please.
I speak in the world. I think Ten Singh should have got the first.
Just coming to you, Atul. Yes, Murad.
Whether Sachin deserved it first or not is nobody is denying that Sachin deserved the award. The timing of the award was also right, because that was the best time to give him the award. Yes. He was just retiring from cricket. He had done enough contribution for India. Everybody, so everybody wanted that Sachin should get it now. And the panel also, whichever panel, whether it was brought forward an overnight meeting or whatever, but they also decided that it should be given at this particular moment.
नहीं, मुराद, you made a point. अशोक जी बोलिए, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं?
No,
मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ. I am going to ask the panelists, if that is the case, then errors of the past should not be corrected. अशोक कुमार जी, आप कुछ कह रहे थे, बोलिए.
They will be corrected. They will be corrected.
मैं ये बोल रहा था
कि
अगर रिटायर हो रहे हैं उसी वक्त उनको भारत रत्न दे दिया जाए, ये चीज सब गलतियों में शामिल है. सचिन को की महानता में कोई शक नहीं है, लेकिन ये चीजें उनको बाद में दी जा सकती हैं, एक टाइम के बाद, एक वक्त के बाद, जब उनकी एक उम्र होती और इस खेल के प्रति उनका और योगदान होता, नॉट ए खिलाड़ी लेकिन उसको प्रोमोटर के रूप में. और दूसरे लोगों का अगर आप हिस्ट्री देखें, चाहे ध्यानचंद की देखें, चाहे बलबीर सिंह जी की देखें, उन्होंने खेलने छोड़ने के बाद इस देश में हॉकी चलाई है, उसको ऊपर उठा के रखा है. लेकिन आज तक बलबीर सिंह जी को सिर्फ पद्मश्री मिला है. कितना दुर्भाग्य इस देश में ऐसे खिलाड़ियों का.
क्रिकेट को इन बुलंदियों में लाने में
कैसी बुलंदी, अतुल वासन? No, what bulandi are you talking about? No, 9 countries play Test cricket. India controls 70% of the revenue. So you are nothing but a big fish in a small pond. Are you comparing that with hockey? We don't even play Asian Games. We are not even in the consideration set for being an Olympic sport. Hockey is an Olympic sport. Balbir Singh Senior won 3 Olympic medals and then came back in 1975 to help India win the World Cup. He coached that team. That's the contribution these people have made, and you're saying they don't deserve it ahead of Sachin Tendulkar. How can that be a justification, Atul Vasan?
No, let's not discuss. Let's not discuss.
Anand,
sport is bigger.
Anand, please don't bring this discussion.
It's a matter of convenience what to discuss and what not to discuss.
Let's not discuss
this. Speak for you.
My question is,
Anand,
1 minute.
let's not bring into this controversy.
My point is that
Bimal Soni, please wait on. Atul making a point, then I'll come to you.
There is a lovely thing that they did to give it to Atal Bihari Vajpayee when he's still around to take it. Tendulkar at that right point, it means much more. It was the sentiment of the nation, you know. When they were not given before, Dhyan Chand was not given before, that was another mistake.
So you're saying it was populist. So now what stopped the government at that point in time to be fair and just and say no, if Sachin Tendulkar is going to be a sports person who will get the Bharat Ratna, we'll also honor Major Dhyan Chand. Why was that name turned down? The sports ministry pushed that name. Why was it ignored? Why weren't both of them given it jointly, sir? My question, that is my question. And that is where I say populism and politics are taking precedence over merit. Bimal Soni.
I have only one thing to say. I agree with you on the point that both of them should have been given if they were recommended. But I don't take your argument when you say that Dhyan Chand should have been given first and Sachin, because he is retiring, should not have been given. I think both deserve it. Dhyan Chand deserves for what he had contributed. Unfortunately, the awards were instituted in 2014.
No, the awards were not instituted, sir.
Should be given.
No, the fact that sports persons can contribute to the country and to society at large, and they bring repute and they can be also the gems of this country, was a realization the government took more than 60 years to take. That is what is appalling, and they still don't want to wake up and correct those errors. Ashish Balal. I am
agree, the
repeatedly
panel
making
should
the
take
same
that
point.
decision.
That a Balbir Singh Senior has to be
I have
content with
another
the
thing to
Padma
say.
Shri. A Saina Nehwal today can turn around and say, I deserve a Padma Bhushan, and she can be immediately considered. But a Major Dhyan Chand and Balbir Singh Senior till today have to wait for people to realize 3 generations have passed after their passing on. But we have not realized the contribution they have given to this game because nobody was around. Popular sentiment is with people who are today. Who remembers the past, Ashish Balal?
Please don't demean Saina. If
I'm not demeaning anybody, sir. I have sat here and we have said very clearly here on Times Now that Saina Nehwal equally deserves the award she's got. But my point is, if they woke up immediately and decided, yes, we've ignored her and she deserves it, why can't they wake up to the case of Major Dhyan Chand and Balbir Singh Senior, Ashish Balal? Why can't they wake up now?
Oh, I can
Do they? What more a wake-up call do they want? If the government's intention is honest.
Out of sight is out of mind.
Sports.
But that's the sad part. You know, when Sachin Tendulkar retired, it was a great day. It's a great achievement that he's had a long career. But at the same time, the name of Dhyan Chand was doing the rounds from 2011. The history talks for itself about his whole service to the nation, his achievements, not only as a player, as a coach, as an administrator, as a guide. You know, he's been a father figure for hockey and sports in our country. When a whole day is named after him, it only says that he epitomizes the sport. And for him to be left out at that stage, you know, there was a lot of backlash when Sachin's name was finally announced for the Bharat Ratna because a lot of people were displeased.
No, and not just that. Ashok Kumar ji, 1979 is when Major Dhyan Chand passed away. So between 1947 to 1979, क्या कर रही थी सरकार? तब उनको मेजर ध्यानचंद याद नहीं आया. 2011 में उन्हें मेजर ध्यानचंद की याद आई. मैं किसी पर्टिकुलर सरकार की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं. मैं इस बात से मैं सवाल ये उठा रहा हूं.
यही तो तकलीफ है.
बोलिए अशोक जी.
नहीं, मैं आपके सवाल के मैं बोल रहा था कि यही तो प्रॉब्लम हमारे इस देश में रही है कि 1947 से लेकर 1979 तक बाबूजी जिंदा रहे. उस टाइम सरकारों ने क्या किया ध्यानचंद के लिए? कौन सी चीज पैदा कर दी? उसके बाद उनके मरने के बाद देखिए आप, उनके नाम का इस राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस, उनकी मूर्ति बन रही है, सब कुछ हो रहा है. जिंदा रहते क्यों नहीं होता है? सबसे बड़ी बात ये थी. तब क्या भारत रत्न आया नहीं था हिंदुस्तान में? तब नहीं दिया जा सकता था उनको.
तो
तब तो प्लेयरों के लिए खोला ही नहीं गया.
जिंदा रहती
और जब खुला है,
और अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी को दिया गया है, इसीलिए दिया गया है.
नहीं, you know, Atul Vasan, let's not go into those parallels because Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel got the Bharat Ratna along with Rajiv Gandhi. No, that was the case. No, that is what has happened in the Bharat Ratna. If you take out the list of Bharat Ratna awardees, you will be shocked at who's been conferred the Bharat Ratna when. My question at this point is that when they woke up to the cause of sports persons,
की बात है, जो अवार्ड के लिए लॉबी कर रहे हैं खिलाड़ी, सबने पैसे बनाए. अवार्ड की जो प्रेस्टीज है वो पैसों से कहीं बड़ी है मुझे लगता है. और मुझे लगता है ये गलत टेंजेंट में डिस्कशन जा रहा है. हम किसी की परफॉर्मेंस को कम नहीं आंक रहे, पर हम ये आंक रहे हैं कि इसमें इतने एब्स्ट्रैक्ट है कि किसी की चॉइस, क्या पैनल, कितने लोग इन्वॉल्व थे, क्या प्रेशर थे, तो होते होते अगर कोई चीज हो जाती है, उसको हर चीज को अगर हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो
no, but we have to question, Atul Vasan. No, there is a reason why we have to question, and I'm going to Murad Ali for this, because in 2014, if the sports ministry makes the recommendation for Major Dhyan Chand, who overturned that decision and why? And why is it that the sports ministry has not turned around and come back in 2015 and said before anybody else's name is announced, Major Dhyan Chand's name has to be announced first? How is it that that is forgotten? And my other question, Murad, is, do we still have to wait another 15-20 years before they wake up to the legends of the past?
The recommendation for award for Major Dhyan Chand was done by the ministry, in fact. And why it was turned down is something which neither you or me can answer. That is to be answered by the government itself, because the government only kept it in abeyance or turned it. They didn't turn it down, but they did not give the award as such. Now, whether a sports person is deserving the award or not, We are not in a position to decide that. As far as we are concerned as sportspersons, I think all sportspersons who have achieved for the nation at the Olympic level deserve all the awards that possibly can be given to them. And especially Major Dhyan Chand, I mean, nobody is denying in terms of achievement, neither are we comparing the achievement across sports, whether it's hockey, whether it's cricket, whether it's shooting, or any other sport. We have all sportspersons deserve the award who have contributed for the country. Now, when the government decides to correct, I won't use the word correct, when they decide to really honor for that only Bharat Ratna, which has not been given to Major Dhyan Chand, that is something which they have to decide. No. They have already
No, when will they decide? They have decided. No, Murad Ali, Murad, my question this evening is, this evening is, you have declared hockey the national sport of this country. You have declared the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand as National Sports Day. You give out the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, the Arjuna Award, the Dronacharya Award on that day. But you still don't have to, you can't recognize that this sports person around whom you have built your entire sporting agenda or sporting calendar in terms of the awards list should not be considered when a sports person is considered for the first time for the Bharat Ratna. Now, where is the logic there? Is it because certain people don't follow hockey and they follow cricket, or certain people believe that the masses today in India follow cricket and not hockey, and that's why we should go and award it to somebody who will be popular?
I feel, Anand, this debate is going where anti-cricket. Tell me, you keep on making the point that hockey is played by...
No, Atul, I'm not anti-cricket. Please, you don't, please don't drive a conduct. Okay. Yes, Atul. It's not about being anti-cricket.
Let me finish.
Yes, Atul.
Please, can I finish something without getting interrupted, please? My point is, do you know that 88 countries play? It's not a fault of cricket that 75 of them played poorly. Only 12 play test cricket. They are good enough to play test cricket. So why is it that this is thrown at cricket face? Joke. What's the problem? Why do we use these statistics? Hockey, if you say it's our national sport, it was. But hockey has lost its relevance because we are no good. There are no other sports.
No, hockey has not lost its relevance. We are Asian Games gold medalists, sir. A sport where Asian Games were a competition where the BCCI doesn't even deem it fit to send a team. Now that is the level of consideration for multinational sports that the sports authority, that the cricket authorities in India have. No, sir. No, Atul Vasan, it is not talking. No, you are the one who's turning this discussion to be anti-cricket. But my point of view is a sport which is played by 9 countries. You want a legend, you want a great player out of that to be conferred the Bharat Ratna. But a sport which is played by 71 countries where India has won 6 Olympic golds, that you don't want to consider.
Yes, Ashish Balal. Cricket is played in 88 countries. So don't
officially played by how many countries? Hockey is played by more than 205 countries. I'm only listing out the 71 countries officially listed in the FIH rankings. And I'm going to talk about the ICC test rankings. So I'm comparing apples to apples. I'm not comparing apples to oranges.
Cricket is played by...
205 countries play hockey, sir. But 205 countries play hockey. No, don't take an example there, Atul Vasan. 205 countries play hockey, so you've lost that argument too. Yes, Ashish Balal. Coming to you, Bimal Soni. Yes, Ashish Balal.
Yeah, please.
Coming to you in a bit, Bimal Soni. Ashish Balal first. Ashish Balal first, sir. Ashish Balal first. Bimal Soni, please wait. Ashish Balal first.
300 countries play hockey. It's an Olympic sport. It's most widely known sport.
Not even 300 countries are not in the world.
Let's keep the commercials out of it.
Yeah?
What's that?
So then Sachin Tendulkar should not have got the Bharat Ratna last year, sir, if you want to keep the commercials out of it.
See, because of the commercials, this whole thing has happened. Because populism took over.
Anand.
Yes, Bimal Soni.
Anand, please, let's not bring sports into it. Cricket versus hockey, or it is wrong. Every sport has its own meaning.
Yes.
What I want to stress is...
Sir, if every sport has its own meaning, then this government should not have ignored the likes of Dhyan Chand and Balbir Singh Senior.
Please, let me complete. These are two team sports. If you want to argue, why not Vishwanath Anand, who's an individual, who's a champion for 3 times?
Exactly my point.
Why not him?
260.
Correct.
There are a lot of discrepancies.
Correct. Bimal
Give it
Soni,
to
Vishwanathan Anand,
Why-
yes.
why not number one,
Vishwanathan
number one?
Anand, yes.
Yeah.
But first Major Dhyanchand and
I'm all
Balbir
for
Singh
it.
Senior.
Why not
Why
three
just
times?
First Major Dhyanchand and Balbir Singh Senior.
Why just
First Major
Vishwanathan
Dhyanchand
Anand?
and Balbir Singh Senior.
Why just
Because
Dhyanchand?
these
No, no,
people
so let's
deserve it
not
before
treat- why
Vishwanathan
not
Anand
Vishwanathan
and Sachin Tendulkar. That's my point, sir. That's my point, sir.
I am trying to say, we all accept that Dhyan Chand should be given.
Why not? Why wasn't he the first person,
Sir,
sir?
Anand-
Why has he been ignored till now, sir?
No. No, what I am trying to say again and again is, Dhyan Chand should have been given.
Yeah, but why was he not given, sir?
Well, then I think if you want to know why not, then you'll have to write an RTI application
No.
to the Sports Ministry, Anand, I think, for that.
No, no. You know, that's not the effort. That's not the way out, because the RTI application will not give you the right answers again, because there are not panels who are deciding on the basis of merit.
Exactly.
Otherwise, the
There
Sports
are no
Ministry's
right and wrong
recommendation would have been
answers in this
honoured.
debate.
It wouldn't have
That's
been
my point.
ignored. So who
There
ignored
is
the
not
Sports
a
Ministry's
right answer
recognition,
and wrong
and
answer.
for what reason? Who? What person? What authority did that particular person have to ignore the recommendation of intelligent minds who have picked Major Dhyan Chand and choose somebody else in the nth hour? So those are questions which remain, and we are asking that today, because these are gentlemen, these are people, these are legends who deserve their due, and they haven't been given it. That's the point, Atul Vasan. My final comment, I'm just going across to Ashok Kumar Dhyanchand. We are running out of time here this evening, sir. Yes, Ashok ji, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे finally? आपको लगता है कि इस सरकार को इस साल के लिए 2015 के लिए जब भारत रत्न अनाउंस किए जा रहे हैं, तब कम से कम मेजर ध्यानचंद के बारे में सोचना चाहिए उन्हें?
जी, जैसा हम सब पैनलिस्ट जो है इस वक्त ये एक बात का भी सवाल उठा रहे हैं कि हॉकी वर्सेस क्रिकेट क्यों किया जा रहा है। डेफिनेटली क्रिकेट एक बहुत अलग और अजीब खेल है, अलग अजूबा खेल है। हॉकी, फुटबॉल ये एक अलग खेल है, इनका एक दायरा अलग है, इनके खिलाड़ी अलग होते हैं। और ध्यानचंद ने जो काम किया है, और शायद इस हिंदुस्तान में सब लोग उस बात की नुमाइंदगी करते हैं, उस बात को मानते हैं। और मेरा भी ये मानना है कि ध्यानचंद सरीखे लोगों को, जिन्होंने किसी चीज की नींव रखी, किसी चीज को उठा के देश के सम्मान में उसमें कुछ लाल हीरे जोड़े हैं, तो अगर जोड़े हैं और ये सरकार समझती है कि ध्यानचंद इस काबिल है कि इनको भारत मिलना चाहिए, तो उसके अंदर ये ना हो कि ऐसे लोग जिंदा नहीं है, इनको मत दो। ध्यानचंद अमर हैं, वो मरे नहीं हैं। हॉकी अमर है, वो हमारी बरनी है। तो मेरा ये मानना है, कहना कि जब ये डिसाइड होता है कि किसको दिया जाए, तो अभी तक किसी कलाकार मरे जिसकी डेथ हो गई, कलाकार को नहीं मिला है, किसी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को नहीं मिला है, किसी और दूसरी चीजों को नहीं मिला है, लोगों को नहीं मिला है, लेकिन पॉलिटिशियंस को मिलता है। तो इसको जरा सोचने की बात है। ये भी एक सवाल है जो मेरे जहन में उठता है कि ऐसे ध्यानचंद जिनकी डेथ हो चुकी है, तो उनको क्यों दिया जाए, उनसे क्या मिलने वाला है?
ऐसा
ये
सवाल
मिलने वाला नहीं है। ये आने वाली जनरेशन को जो मिलेगा वो ध्यानचंद का नाम देगा।
जी अशोक कुमार जी, अगर वो एक्सक्यूज अगर सामने आता है कि इस वजह से नहीं दिया जा रहा है, तो उस पे एक और डिबेट हम जरूर यहां करेंगे, क्योंकि बहुत सारी लंबी लिस्ट है, फेरिस्त है अब, जिनको कि पॉस्टमसली भारत रत्न दिया गया है। अतुल वासन, मुराद अली खान, बिमल सोनी, आशीष बलाल एंड अशोक कुमार ध्यानचंद, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस दिस इवनिंग हियर on Times Now.